Welcome to English with Colleen. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about who I am and why I've created this channel. So first of all, I'm an ESL TESOL teacher. I taught in public school for about 10 years, and I've been teaching for the last 3 years as an ESL academic coach at a small university in Western Massachusetts. But more recently, I started working with volunteering with refugees within my community, and I realized that I didn't have the resources that I needed to support their learning. So that's what was the impetus for this channel. I also noticed while working with the students that some of the online resources they were using were not very good. And when I looked at them, I thought, I can do better than that. So that's really what got me started with this channel. And in general, I love working with diverse students. I learned so much while working with them. So if you know me, if you're a friend of mine or family member of mine or have worked with me in the past, you know that I am completely out of my comfort zone being a YouTuber or creating content or putting myself out there. This is definitely stretching me and who I am as a person. But also, if you have worked with me in the past, if you are a fellow teacher, you know that it's perhaps not that crazy, because I've always advocated for my students. So I will grow. I will rise to the occasion to make sure that the needs of my students are met. So that's what I'm doing right now. I am trying to rise to the occasion. So you will see I started creating content in December and have tried to be consistent, creating 2 or 3 videos each week. My videos definitely started out rusty because all of this is new to me. There is quite a learning curve, but you'll also notice that my videos are getting better and better, and so I'm hoping that I can support your needs as you keep coming back to my channel, watching my videos. Hopefully you'll see improvement. So who did I create this channel for? My target audience is adults learning English, or even teenagers learning English. There are a lot of resources out there for learning the basics of the English language, but those resources are mostly for children, and quite frankly, they're insulting to adults. So I wanted to create resources that span the development of language learning from the very beginner level to the advanced level, but for the target audience of young adults and adults. So you'll see I have some very basic videos already out there on the alphabet, on sight words, and there's no fluff around them. There's nothing cutesy about them. They're just to get down to business and learn quickly. I've also created a number of videos that are shorts, but the purpose of that is for it to be quick. So that if you're on the go, on your way somewhere, you can pick up your phone and listen for a minute, practice for a minute, and then repeat. However, I also have some more advanced videos that require some time and thought with quizzes at the end or exercises at the end. So I look forward to working with you. These resources are for those students, but they're also to be helpful to fellow teachers who are constantly in need of more resources to differentiate for their students. So I want this channel to support fellow teachers as well. And I'm looking for feedback. So let me know as you watch my videos. Comment, say, ooh, Colleen, this was a great video. I learned a lot from you. Or maybe I didn't understand this quite so well. Could you explain this a little more clearly and elaborate what you need? Or if there are specific topics that you're looking for, message me. Comment on a video and say, Colleen, I really don't understand gerunds. I really don't understand article usage. Just let me know what you need a video about. It may take me a little while because I have a long list of ideas, but if I know that a student needs that resource, I will prioritize it. So again, this was just a quick intro to what I'm doing and who I am. Thank you for watching my videos, and like I said, give me your feedback. Have a great day.